Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll tell you how to create and send newsletters on the service called Substack. So first, of course, you will have to create and log in into your account. So you can use your email or Google account to sign up. Choose the publication name and add a short description. Customize your logo, colors and subscription options in settings. So before that, of course, you need to go to your dashboard, and from here, as you can see, you can create a new post, including the newsletter. And now we can start creating our first newsletter. So click on new post. There's going to be text post. And from here, guys, you can start editing in any way you want. So from here, add title and start writing in the editor. So title, for example, test. You can also add a subtitle. I'm not sure what's that for. I guess it's some kind of function in here in the Substack. And now you can basically start writing whatever newsletter you want. You can format your content with bold, italics, images, and links. Click preview to check how it looks before sending. So guys, for example, test, whatever. And after you're done, just click on preview. And this is what it's going to look like from the phone, as you can see. Quite beautiful. I've done nothing, but it already looks fancy. Really cool. I like it. After that, guys, you can publish and send your newsletter. Just press on done, then press on continue, and press on send everyone now. Also, you can choose your basically settings for privacy. As you can see, allow comments from this post is for. You can set it for subscribers if you're enabling subscriptions, and you can also upload the image, just like I said before. You can schedule email to publish as well. Just send to everyone now. Press this. As you can see, now we are publishing our first post. And as you can see, you can also add subscribe buttons to your posts. I will actually choose that. All right. So this should be done. No, continue. Send to everyone now. And bingo. As you can see, now we are posted. You can copy the link. You can open a new tab, open it once again. And as you can see, we can have our publication ready for the viewers to read and check out. Guys, so this is basically how it's done. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. If this helped you, guys, like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.